Hello students. Hello students. So today we are going to start with endocrine glands. What are endocrine glands? Endocrine glands are ductless glands that secrete hormones directly into the blood. So there are some endocrine glands, and those endocrine glands have specific features. Like if you talk about few endocrine glands like pituitary gland, it is known as it secretes the growth hormone, and its hormone function is regulates the growth. Hypothalamus, it releases hormone and it regulates the secretion of hormones from pituitary gland. Thyroid gland basically secretes thyroxine, and it controls metabolic rate of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Parathyroid gland basically secretes calcitonin and parathormone. It lowers the blood calcium level and increases calcium and decreases phosphate level. Adrenal gland, it releases adrenaline and it increases heart rate, respiration, blood pressure during emergency situations. Functions of endocrine glands. What are the functions of endocrine glands? Like endocrine gland like pancreas, testes, ovary, thymus and pineal gland. So pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon, and it decreases blood glucose and increases blood glucose. Testes, testosterone, it regulates male secondary sexual characteristics, helps in the formation of sperms. Ovary, progesterone and estrogen. Progesterone helps in the prepare the wall of the uterus for attachment of fertilized cell, and it maintains pregnancy. And estrogen controls the development of the female sex organs, ovulation, and it controls menstrual cycle. Thymus secretes thymosin, and it produces immunity. Pineal, melatonin, it stimulates muscle contraction. So now the next topic is feedback mechanism. The timing and the amount of hormone released is regulated by feedback mechanism. If glucose level increases in the blood, pancreas secretes required amount of insulin, and insulin reduces the glucose level. And why is iodine salt advisable? Iodine is required by thyroid to make thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate, protein and fats. Iodine deficiency in our diet causes goiter, where thyroid gland enlarges, causing swelling in the neck. So goiter is a disease where the thyroid gland enlarges and the neck swells up. Iodized common salt contains proper content of iodine. To avoid deficiency of iodine, iodized salt is recommended. So we have studied about the endocrine glands, the feedback mechanism, and why iodine is advisable. So in the next class we'll start with coordination in plants.